In this lecture, we will start creating our framework, starting with Bitmap Bank class, responsible for loading bitmap instances from resources and keeping references. This class also defines several methods to get the dimension of our bitmap images. We will also define a method for scaling the background image. Open Android Studio. Right-click on the package and create a new Java class, name it Bitmap Bank. Inside this class, right-click, generate constructor, put resources parameter in the constructor. We will pass resource object when calling this constructor. Copy and paste the background image into drawable folder. This image has a dimension of 1024 by 512 pixels. Declare a class level bitmap object reference for this background. In the constructor, instantiate background. Background equals to bitmap factory dot decode resource. Resource comma r dot drawable dot background. The Bitmap Factory class provides several decoding methods: decode byte array, decode file, decode resource, etc. for creating a bitmap from various sources. Next, we will create some getter methods inside this class. Next, we will create the GameView class. See you then.